What's up, everybody? Hey, if you're checking this in, welcome to Marketing with Dom. Please make sure you subscribe button and comment down below. But I'm about to give away some gold that I traditionally have not been giving away just for the girls and the guys, the couple who've been working with my team. But this is how you drive massive traffic to your OnlyFans by learning how to grow over time. Right now, look at this as like a 2 to 3 month process, and you can start growing out of control. I'm going to show you the 2 things that will take your Instagram completely to the next level. Okay, no joke. I'm talking about the next level. All right, so here's the trick that we use. This is 100%. Here's the number one thing that happens. Most of you don't know you're using blocked hashtags, and those blocked hashtags are crawling. They're causing you to be flagged and then be scrolled and then getting your slow on your growth. So listen, you have to use a software just like this. Down below, there's a link just for this software giving you a 14-day free trial for you to try out. Okay, so things that we put up, right? I'll type in something like, hey, I want to say sexy, right? So somebody wants to use the word sexy. Based off of my hashtag judgment algorithm, it's going to give me things that are close to this. I don't know what any of that means. Let's say let's go with this. Let's say fat butt. Okay, let's go with fat booty. Okay, let's go with fat booty. There we go. Bam, let's see what happens. See this? You see what that just said? That's telling you that is being watched. It does not want you to be seen. Doesn't have a wide variety of things. It's saying that the search is hard to find. So let's go with, what would you do? Let's go with the basic. I always like to go with the basics model. Let's go. Boom, right? Then it just grows up. Look at this thing just grew over here. Where you at? Bam. All right, so it's going to tell you the networks of these things. Here, this is what it tells you. Average likes, average post made, right? Average comments. It's going to tell you if you can rank or not. Like if you're not getting this many likes, like boom, model land, bam, it's saying that if you get 15 comments, likes, and comments, and an average of 400 likes, you have a chance of ranking on these hashtags. So like I don't want to go too deep in this. If you end up joining my agency or something, you can check it down. This is the number one thing. The second thing you can do is I have traffic that I run legitimately directly to your Instagram. I don't need a login. I don't need anything of that sort. And I would drive traffic directly to your Instagram page, and then that plus these hashtags will drive you extendedly larger on the hashtags, like hitting the boost, and you'll be getting more and more visible. Some of the girls that we have growing over 100,000 right now, and it's crazy. So if you're looking to actually get a hold of the traffic, you can find me on Instagram, or you can click down below and immediately just go directly and buy the traffic, get a hold of me on my Instagram, and then I'll make sure everything is set up and ready for you to go. Whoa, can't even breathe deep, but those are the 2 things I use. I use the hashtags that make sure that there's actually ability to be seen on those hashtags and judge. It's a great system, and then I use the traffic to generate it. If you want me to do this for you, reach out to me anytime. It's your boy DB, live in the building, and that's my little tricks and secrets. I can't tell you the traffic source exactly, so I'll use it and I'll do it for you, but I can't let rookies use the traffic source because, you know, with great power comes great responsibilities. And I mean, if you enjoy watching my videos, please make sure you comment down below and say what's up and hit that subscribe button if you just now are joining the, Marketing with Dom gang. Ooh, ooh. Hey, and I'll be in Arizona this week. It's about to be litty. So see you in AZ. Let's go.